What's up, everyone? It is Jason Jani, and in this video, I'm dropping wedding tips for new DJs. If you're a DJ entering the wedding industry, this video was made for you. Now, right turns and being able to change direction is an important part of every wedding celebration. You need to be prepared with a plan if things go sideways, whether it be something happen or the dance floor falls flat. You need to be able to address the situation and to change direction smoothly without interrupting the overall flow and take charge of the opportunity in front of you. So what happens if people leave the dance floor that was packed because you played the wrong song? It's simple. Change directions, put on a slow song, try to regather, regroup, or to change direction of where you were headed because you've missed the mark. It is that simple, and understanding this now will hopefully help you if this situation presents itself in the future. I hope you enjoyed this wedding tip. Be sure to look out for more tips dropping right here on this channel. Be sure to hit that subscribe button down below, and be sure to smash the heart button or the thumbs up button as well. Thanks so much for watching. More tips coming in days, weeks, and months ahead. Thanks for watching.